Hey all, let me show you my favorite workflow, which monitors your profile visitors, messages them in multiple languages that you might speak, and turns them into meetings. So if you look at my send connection requests, you can see that it's turning languages based on what is the language I would choose when talking to that person. And I speak English, German, and Czech. So it's choosing which language just feels more natural, and it's also following the rules, the grammar of the language. So here is how to set it up without any coding, anything. It's very simple. Okay, let's do this. So the first step is you need to go to your Sales Navigator and set up this filter. People who viewed your profile recently and who are in your second degree connections. So I'm sending this only to people who are second levels, and only to ones who are actually relevant, but we'll go into this later. So once you have this, all you need to do is to copy this link, go to Leads Picker, and choose our LinkedIn People Search robot, and just include this link here. You can skip the other settings, and you need to decide, which account you want to use to actually view the connections. So it's my connections, I'm choosing mine. Then how many leads I want to scrape. I think that's enough. And I want to run this every day. Okay, that's it. So if you hit on the start button, the automation starts right away. Okay, once the robot is done, you can just go to contacts, and you will see all the leads from your Sales Navigator here in the data table with verified email addresses. So this is all the fields that you can see, but there are some things on top of it. So as I mentioned, we are choosing which language to use when talking to these people. So I made a couple of prompts here. So first of all, I'm deciding if the name and the location is English, better fit for English language, Czech language, or German. So here is my prompt. So basically I'm asking GPT to look at the name and answer for the Czechs and Slovak Czech, for German, and for the rest English. I'm getting the answers here. Then then you can look at this prompt. So here I'm asking AI to follow specific rules. So if the input says language Czech, then I'm choosing the option 3, which is in the Czech language, where I'm making sure I'm using the vocative when calling the people. When it says English, this is the simple one, I'm sending an English message. And if it says German, but, which is very important, the location of the company is in Germany, Austria, or Switzerland, then it answers with the German message, which is the option 2. And if it says the name sounds German, but the profile is not from Germany, Austria, or Switzerland, then I'm just choosing the English message. The same applies for email. It's just a slightly longer, but basically the same rule applies here. And what else? I'm also trying to understand if this persona is a good fit or not. So if you click on this column, I'm basically asking AI to analyze the input, which is the name and position, and decide if this meets any of the categories that I want to target. So business owner, C-level manager, sales and marketing, business development, etc. So AI is answering yes and no. And now if I go to sequence, here I have conditions where only if the persona is a fit, then the connection request goes out. So it actually looks like this. It's a connection request, and the whole message is actually a variable field. So either English, German, or Czech message with the personalized name. Then I wait a couple of days, and I follow up with email again with the localized message. And I follow up only if they haven't replied on LinkedIn until then. So yeah, this is the whole process. You can send it from multiple emails. Also, you can plug multiple LinkedIns to our platform, and the outcome really looks, meetings are coming in quickly. So the output really looks like this. Highly recommend to test it out. If you want the prompts, if you want to try it out, just let me know. All right. Have a nice day.